So hello and welcome guys to my YouTube channel Rahul FX. So this is the week 6 of me turning $0 into $100,000 funded. And so previous week 5, I didn't upload any video because I didn't take any trade. So I'll just do a quick recap. So previous week what had happened was Monday to Wednesday, I was traveling to my home and all that. So I could not be in the charts for long. And in Thursday and Friday, I got a little bit sick, so I didn't like force myself to take a trade and all that. So yes, this is the week 6. Today is, I think so, today is Tuesday, I guess. Yes, today is Tuesday. Monday I didn't take any trade because I didn't see any opportunity in the markets, and there was also some high impact news 6 p.m. So I didn't take any trade yesterday. So today I just missed one trade, and one trade I didn't capitalize opportunity. I can't like it is not a missed trade because the price didn't come to my entry level. So I'll just show it to you. And in the rest of the week, if I take any trades, I will just add it to the recording. So yes, let's jump right into the trade. So yes, as you can see, this was the first trade that I was supposed to be taking. So this was in the 1 minute time frame. I was um, monitoring this trade in my you see here that I have this screen that I have present here. But I was not too confident in this trade. That's why I didn't enter because the market was like forming high. So I was waiting for either to give me a pullback, then I can enter. But I had got this opportunity according to the trade that I'm taking. So this orange box is a 15-minute fair value gap. And as you can see, this was the first touch here, then the second touch after it manipulated. This was for me the manipulation move, as you can see. Then after it had given me a display, so I was also monitoring the lower time frame, 15 second, 30 second also. And after this had given me a displacement taking this high, then it gave me a confirmation the market can go to take this high. Because once it had taken this high, the next drawn liquidity was this. So as it gave me a pullback, this was supposed to be my entry, and this was either here or here was supposed to be my stop loss. So as the market had come here, like due to the you can say gut feeling or the like being in this trading the strategy not for too long. So I thought like let's not enter this trade. But if I had entered this trade, it would have given me a solid 2 is to 1 is to 2. So yes, this was the first missed opportunity. After this I got taken, this was the trade, and this trade just I had missed, as you can see, like 20-30 minutes ago. So yes, this was the first touch here. Then after it manipulated here, then this was the displacement. This displacement when it took out this high, confirming that this either this or this was the drawn liquidity. So after the market had come here, as you can see in 1 minute time frame, this was my entry, but the market had failed to come here. I'll just show it in my original uh, colors. So as you can see, this I had written entry missed. So in 1 minute, this yellow is 15-minute time fair value gap. This is 1 minute, and this is 5 minute fair value gap. So if you can see in the 5 minute, there was an entry here, but I was just monitoring. I was monitoring all the time frame, but I could not get it because if you can see, this would have been if I just delete this. Let me just delete this, and if you can, yeah, just delete this also. So if I just go to this, see this is the pure 5 minute time fair value gap. This is the 5 minute fair value gap. So my entry would have been somewhere here. My stop loss would have been below this low or this low, which were low. And as you can see, I started getting this above this high or this fair value gap high. So yes, this was the trade that I just missed. Like this would I would have taken this trade, but just I was too focused on the 1 minute time frame. As you can see in the 1 minute time frame, the market didn't come to this fair value gap in which I was like looking for entry. But 5 minute was open here, but like I missed it within a split second. So as you can see, the market just touched this one and boom. So after the market had like made this movement, then I opened the 5 minute time frame here. Then I saw that I had missed this opportunity. So yes, that's it for this trade. I just missed it. I didn't take any. So in the further week, if I take any trades, I will just let you know. So yes. So hello guys, today is Friday. So for the previous week, I didn't get any opportunity to enter any trade on Monday or Tuesday. I had taken a like in a demo trade that I showed that I had missed that in my original account. But today I have successfully taken a trade. and I'll just run down the trade as what I had done and how I had capitalized on the opportunity that the market had shown me. So going on to the day, my bias was bullish as the market was supporting bullish order flow. I will not be explaining everything into detail. Just I will just explain whatever for you to understand that why I had taken the trade. So as you can see, as the market, I had a pretty bullish bias, and the market was supporting uh, bullish order flow. So in the higher time frame, as you can see, I had marked out the point of interest of fair value gap, you can call that, in order to take a trade. So this was my first opportunity that I thought that market, if the market breaks to this, then here the opportunity will show for me in either London session or New York session. But right now, as I was just monitoring the market, I was watching a YouTube documentary over here, and my two screen, I was watching 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. So I saw the perfect opportunity, and I just executed with very minimal risks. So I'll just explain you what happened, which where I taken the trade and all that. So you can see this was the first point of it, the touch in the POI, and after this got swept, I was waiting for the initial manipulation move. So after this happened, so I was waiting for a, as you can see, this can be considered as a manipulation move. So first, as this got swept, I thought that now here I can place an entry over here. Like this can be a, there was a SMT in Euro JPY also, but there was not enough displacement for me to target this high. So I was just waiting for further confirmation. Then the market manipulated once again, and it gave a displacement. Now, before, the mistake that I was been doing was, if this much was the displacement, I was targeting this high. Okay, we should not do that. Whenever, like, you should place your target according to the displacement that you get. If you get, like, let's say this much displacement, you can't target this high. Like, let's say you get this much displacement, and if you're thinking of targeting this high, like, I don't think so this is valid. For, like, to target this high, you need to get at least displacement till here. Then once it pull back, then you can target here. So this was the mistake that I was been doing in the previous all the trades. But after the market had given me this displacement, no, sorry, this displacement, my initial target was here. Okay, not too wide, not too short. So initial target was here, as the market had given, as you can see, the market is still going. So the market, as it had given me initial displacement after this manipulation move, this is the initial manipulation move, as you can see. So it swept this low inside a high time frame PD array. Then it gave us a manipulation move. Then once the market had displacement, then the market had came here, and I had taken an entry. I'll just show you. Taken an entry in 15-second time frame, as you can see. This was the entry in the order block. This is the same trade. As the market had come here, I had taken the, as you can see, this 15-second time frame. So as the market had come here, I had taken my entry in this order block, and I got a solid. Once to see my initial target 15-second was here, but as this move just like burst through, so I could book the profit till here only. And like, I didn't do any greed and all that. Like before, I was being targeting like this high and all that. No, you need to target your keep your take profit where your, according to your displacement that you get. So as I was watching this, also I was watching the Euro JPI. There was SMT available in Euro JPI as well. So this was the trade. It just like within 2 minutes I got in and got out. This is the perfect trade for me. So now I'll just journal. And today was Friday, so this week I had taken only one trade. And as you guys, if you have been following all the videos that I have been posting, like, the journey is being pretty slow, but I wanted to be pretty slow. That's why I'm not forcing any trades and all that. I'm trying to be a disciplined trader and a better trader. Like, the money criteria doesn't matter to me that much now. So I'm trying to focus on becoming a better trader. That's it. And I have just completely removed swing trading from my, like, trade path. That I was also before, as you can, if you know, like, previous videos I had mentioned that I'm doing swing trading also. I was doing this day trading also, but due to the mixture, I've completely removed swing trading, and now I'm just focusing on taking day trades, and that's it. In the London session, I'm taking day trades, and I'll also be back testing. And if I can, in the future, I may also be start trading New York session also. So yes, that's it for this video. Bye bye. That's it for this week, I'll say. So this week and the previous week, I didn't take any trade. This week, I took only one trade. So there was a lot of lessons learned while outside of the charts and also inside of the charts. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye, and I will meet you next week. If I take any trades, there will be a video on Friday or Saturday.